he remember taught us some songs, and I can give you an example of one. It was somebody breaking up a relationship, and it was soll's nicht sein, soll's nicht hören, soll nicht kennen gehen. Man sagt, sagen darf für und dir Vater ist, soll's kommen betten na Dove, wenn du die Sorgen du bist schon gewinn. Hab dir lieb, gar an Ashir, Asim man hast du, ja vorher weg von dir. So the translation of that is, you should only be blind, deaf, and unable to walk. You should come asking for a donation and being told that you've already been there. I love you beyond belief. A sign of that is that I'm leaving you. That's the song. There were some others. I learned. I mean, there were a lot of songs that we sang among kids. I don't know if they were. I guess they were all Jewish, but I don't know where they came from. Street songs, like, you know. The tune is somewhat like Hatikva, but this is before Israel. But anyway, on a street corner sat a little bum. In his mouth he had some chewing gum. Along came a policeman and said, "Give me some." "Some is in the drugstore," said the little bum. And the pun here is that some is a Hebrew word which is used in Yiddish as a word for poison. So it's not only telling the officer he could get his own gum, but that he could get some poison. So that's just a street song kind of thing.